Yes, the young people must know that we don't have any other state other than Rivers State. Like when we were growing up, there was this slogan on Rivers State, love Rivers State or leave her alone, don't run her down. So you love Rivers State, you should not run her down. Only one man can be governor of Rivers State at a time. We will not have two governors. And the people of Rivers State are bigger than Asari Dokubo. Rivers State is bigger than any individual. No individual can take Rivers State people for a ride and pocket us. It's not possible. Local government tenure has expired today. They should quietly go home. If they want to seek re-election in accordance with the Constitution, they should go and seek re-election. But there is no tenure elongation in the Constitution. Their position is tenure ban, and that tenure has expired. Let them not cause unnecessary problem for the people of the state. And I want to advise young people that, look, don't allow yourself to be used. Most of us, their children are not here. And their children have never come out to stand in front of any protest. They are not like Mandela and his children, or me and my children, or anybody. A lot of people, they've not done this. So nobody should be allowed. Most of them were with us. Today they are bigger than us. They have become very wealthy. They have become very powerful. But is that why you should submit yourself to be used by them? The people are showing people's power. The people have gone on their own to take over local government secretariat. Because it's the people. Nobody can say that we voted for 3 years tenure for a chairman, and a chairman should exceed 1 second of that tenure.
I wish to acknowledge and commend the dedicated services of the outgoing elected local government chairmen, vice chairmen, and councillors who were elected and sworn in 3 years ago, and whose tenures expired yesterday, the 17th of June of the year of our Lord 2024, as provided for by the law. On behalf of the government and the people of Rivers State, I thank you all for your sacrifice and commend your commitment to public service and our dear Rivers State. I congratulate you all for a successful completion of your tenure and wish you well in your future endeavors. As we move forward in making sure that the Constitution of the Federal Republic is upheld and that law and order is maintained, as we continue to strive to provide leadership and direction for our people, I hereby direct Head of Local Government Administration to continue to provide leadership in their respective local government areas. Head of Local Government Administration are hereby directed to immediately take charge of the councils with renewed vigor and readiness to serve and await further directive as we navigate towards even greater accomplishments together. I assure you, my good people of Rivers State, that we shall continue to defend, provide infrastructural development, sound healthcare delivery, quality education, and undiluted welfare service package for all our people and workers. Once again, I thank you, my dear good people of Rivers State, for your steadfast support and dedication to our shared vision of unity, progress, and prosperity.
We are sending a message to those who are threatening. Wear your jeans. Do like this. Don't do like this. We don't wear jeans in the local government. We tie wrapper. We wear makata. We will wait for you. Come. and disobey the law. The law of Nigeria is the law passed by Martis Amehule. If them boy you well, them boy you well, them boy you well, them boy you well, them boy you well. Show your face. Thank you, God bless.
All of them, they just run. I told you we
don't mount. Because
I am a former session of the council. I know that they will not do. That was why I chased them and I got to them. Who goes there? So they must be prosecuted according to law. They have dealt with us. We are hungry for over 5 years now. Yes. So we have come to take over what belongs to us. Yes. Ambassador is capable of running this government without looking anybody's face.
God bless you all.
Just up. He's running. Check out. Look at me. He's running. Check out. Look at him. The man and his steps are running. Look at them. They're running. Look at them. Look at the mayor. Look at him. Don't do it now.
God punish them. Save your own way. Come now. Because you pressure run. Because you pressure what?
President,
Somebody say something.
They are taking over the council. All of us, they have disappeared. They're taking people as the governor. That's the power that we know. Who you be now? Who you be? Who you be now? Let's see be governor, see has capacity. Leave us to love him. They're taking over elements taking. Total takeover. I'm in the video. If I not you now.
With your iPhone, it seems not there, no way. It seems not there inside your iPhone, no way.